Hello. Let's look at some trades from earlier today. These are simulator or demo trades, even though this trade activity log from Infinity Futures says non-sim. These are actually simulator trades. So we ended with a profit of $95 after 11 trades. Let's take a look at some details. Okay, so these trades occurred from about 9:45 to 10:30. Okay. So we have two losses that we'll look at to see if anything could have been done better. Okay. The first one is here. Let's see. Tools. Let's point to this trade. This was a short trade on this bar. There were a couple of legs down, you can see, before the trade was taken. So really, we can't say that it was necessarily a very high probability trade, but I liked this action here and I went short. Now the price moved sideways, popped up, and then came back down. However, if you're still in the trade at this point, at around this bar, you know it's not working. Okay, so the bottom line is about 5 ticks could have been saved here. Okay, that would have added $20 to the profit, and that would have brought us to about $115, whatever it is. The second, the other losing trade was taken here. Let's move to this trade. 16. So tools, swing marker. This trade was taken here. Now the price had been trending higher, but we had this pattern, sort of an evening star pattern. Of course, if it closed lower, maybe it would have been a higher probability trade, but it immediately moved higher. I'm not sure there's anything that we could have done. This is happening pretty quickly. Maybe you save a tick. But in any case, the first trade, we can learn something from. Now let's move on. The last trade I took, what happened was I moved the stop to just above break even, hoping for maybe a run that actually happened, but I had already been stopped out of the trade. So when it looks like the market is getting into trend mode and you can get a runner, can really help out your day or your week, and you want to try to take advantage of that. In this case, I moved my stop up a little too quickly, but it did result in a nice move higher. This was actually, I moved it to one tick above break even. Price pulled back, stopped me out, and moved. But that's okay. That is, part of, trying to let a scalp trade turn into a runner. Or really, you should be doing this when you can trade more than one contract. So that trade was one contract. However, we'll look at some of the other ones. Some of the other trades today in our sample were actually two. Okay. So these are just some considerations. This platform lets us look at some interesting data: low price while open, high price while open. So it's pretty cool. You also have this summary here: 81%, 11 trades. So this is how you can continue to review your sessions and try to improve. Thank you.